Hello and welcome. Today I wanted to make this video about this 3D printed clock. I got a couple of these clock kits for $5.50 and I wanted to show you some different configurations. I 3D printed this and I will make the files available, but I did also design a few other versions of it in case you wanted to make it yourself and you lacked any of this hardware. Here we have some 062 or 1/16 brass rod. I had a bunch of this from a hinge from another project that I built, and I thought this would be a good way, and it matched the hands. I didn't realize that they put this little hook on the battery contact. They must have done this for when you put the wall clocks so the battery doesn't fall out. And this is pretty much exactly how this came off of the printer. Came off with all these holes printed in place. And I will make the files available. I'm gonna post them on Thingiverse. And I think I made 4 different versions of this clock. I made some that did not use the rods. That way if you don't have access to that. And these hands, you always want to push them on, and then you want to make sure that they are not hitting each other. They just kind of press on to these little nylon bands. If they rub, then they're going to slip and you're not going to get accurate timekeeping. This clock kit had a really nice movement to it. It was a very smooth, fluid action. It wasn't rough at all. I kind of like the way that that moves. And I wanted this to get as close to the radius because I matched the radius for the stand on this, and I wanted it to get really close but not touch, just in case the hands got bent. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project.